Well, that's slightly complicated as well, actually, because I trained as an immunologist, and my DPhil was actually in transplantation immunology, so looking at allograft rejection. And I strayed into the field of stem cell biology almost by accident, actually. When I returned to Oxford in 1995, I began by trying to generate a knockout mouse model in which we had specifically targeted the interleukin-12 gene to try and understand what interleukin-12 did in the immune response. And to do so, we had to work with embryonic stem cells to try and target the gene within that cell population and then make mice that were deficient in the cytokine. In fact, that failed miserably because another group actually published work on the IL-12 knockout long before I'd even constructed it. But actually, during the course of doing that set of experiments, I just worked out purely by chance how to direct the differentiation of these embryonic stem cells into a population of cells which is really central to the immune system, which are dendritic cells. And nobody had ever achieved this before, so we were able to publish this, but we also submitted a patent application. And in fact, when the patent was submitted, the patent attorney insisted that we should cover all mammalian species, not just the mouse in which we had done this work. And I argued strongly that there was no point in doing that because human embryonic stem cells would never be generated. And yet a week after our patent application was actually filed, the first publication of the derivation of human embryonic stem cells was published. So we then found ourselves sitting on actually what was quite a valuable patent, and it was really that then pulled me into the stem cell field rather more than I'd anticipated.